Did you know that 20% of the top 100 YouTube channels are dedicated to kids' content? That's right. 1 out of every 5 of the biggest channels on the platform is all about creating fun, educational, and entertaining videos for children. This is mind-blowing. But why is kids' content so popular? What makes it such a profitable niche? And most importantly, can you tap into this trend in the AI era? Well, let's break it down today and see how kids' content is becoming one of the most profitable niches for creators, and how you can create your own content in this field. The surprising success of kids' content. If we look closely, channels like Nico Komlon, Blippi, and Pinkfong are at the top of the list, racking up millions of views, and of course making tons of money. Kids' content is incredibly engaging and evergreen factors. Parents are always looking for safe, educational, and entertaining videos for their kids. Check out this YouTube channel that posts simple yet catchy animated kids songs. They're pulling in millions of views regularly. Let's head over to Social Blade and check their estimated earnings. Based on their viewership, they could be earning anywhere between $5,000 to $30,000 per month just by posting these videos. Crazy, right? This shows the power of kids' content. And the best part is the demand for kids' content is only going to grow. Kids are always online, and more parents are allowing their children to enjoy YouTube and other platforms. Exploring the AI tools to create kids' content. Now, you may be thinking, how can I get started? Well, with the power of AI tools, it's easier than ever. Anyone can dive into this niche and create amazing kids' content with the right tools.
Here's what you'll need. ChatGPT to generate lyrics for kids' songs. Suno AI to create the song. Canva to animate the video. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step. But before we dive into the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more tips like these. Step-by-step guide to creating kids' animated songs. Step 1. Writing lyrics with ChatGPT. The first thing we need is the lyrics for a kid's song. Kids love videos about ABCs, numbers, shapes, or fun rhymes. These topics are always in demand and universally loved across cultures and languages. So, let's ask ChatGPT for some lyrics. Write a fun, catchy, and educational song about learning shapes for kids. Keep it short, 1 to 2 minutes.
Boom.
ChatGPT instantly generates a catchy song. You can adjust the lyrics or regenerate until you're happy with them. Once you're done, copy the lyrics and let's move to the next tool. Step 2. Creating the song with Suno AI. Next, we head to Suno AI. This tool lets you create copyright-free songs in minutes. Paste the lyrics you got from ChatGPT into Suno AI and pick a music style if you want, or just skip that step. Suno AI will generate multiple versions of your song. Let's listen to them.
Look around, what do you see? Shapes are here for you and me. Circles around, it rolls away, like the sun or a pizza tray.
Look around, what do you see? Shapes are here for you and me. Circles around, it rolls away.
I love the second version. So I'll download the MP3 file, not the video, just the audio. Step 3. Creating the video with Canva. Now, let's bring our song to life using Canva. You can use the free version of Canva, but if your channel grows, you might want to upgrade to Canva Pro for more elements and animations. Start by creating a design in YouTube 1080p format. Upload the MP3 file you downloaded from Suno AI and drag it onto your timeline. Adjust the video length to match the song's duration. When it comes to animating kids' songs, the key is to keep things bright, engaging, and dynamic. Here are 2 tips. Use vibrant, bold colors for text, shapes, and backgrounds. Change the frame every 2 to 3 seconds to keep the kids interested. Search for Kids Animation in Canva's Elements tab and you'll find plenty of options. Choose an animation that fits your lyrics and add it to your frame. Adjust the video size.
Shapes are here for you and me. Circles round. Circles round, it rolls away. Like the sun, walking the train. Like the sun. Like the sun, walking the train.
Now, head back to ChatGPT and grab the intro lyrics of the song. We'll use 1 frame for every 2 lines of lyrics, which will keep the animation moving. Add text like learning shapes and play around with the font and color. You can animate the text to give it more life. Now, continue adding frames, text, and animations for the rest of the lyrics. Once done, your video will be ready to go.
Creating kids' content isn't just fun, it's also a highly profitable niche that anyone can explore, especially with the help of AI tools. The demand for educational and entertaining content for kids will continue to grow, making it a sustainable option for content creators. So, if you're looking for a new YouTube niche or want to dive into something fun, kids' content could be your perfect match. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give this a try, and if you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. That's it for today. See you in the next video.